Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0050 error code and struggling with fuel efficiency? This issue can cause poor mileage, rough idling, and even failed emissions tests. Ignoring it could lead to engine performance issues and increased fuel costs. In this video, we'll cover what P0050 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned because solving this issue early can save you from costly repairs and poor performance. What does P0050 mean? The P0050 code stands for Heated Oxygen Sensor, ho2s, Heater Control Circuit, Bank 2, Sensor 1. This means that the heater circuit in the upstream oxygen sensor on Bank 2 is not functioning properly. The heater helps the O2 sensor reach operating temperature quickly for accurate fuel adjustments. Symptoms of P0050: check engine light on, poor fuel economy, rough idling or hesitation, failed emissions test, and extended warm-up time for the engine. Common causes of P0050 include the following. First, a faulty oxygen sensor, also known as ho2s. The heater inside the sensor may have failed. Second, a blown fuse or relay. A fuse protects the heater circuit, and if it's blown, the sensor won't heat up. Third, wiring or connector issues. Broken or corroded wires can disrupt the circuit. Fourth, an ECU malfunction. The engine control unit may not be sending the correct voltage. And finally, a short or open circuit. A damaged wire in the heater circuit can trigger the error. Where is the oxygen sensor located for P0050? First, let's talk about the Bank 2, Sensor 1 location, which is the upstream oxygen sensor. It's mounted on the exhaust manifold or downpipe before the catalytic converter. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 2 is usually on the passenger side. Next, the oxygen sensor connector location. The sensor's wiring harness connects to the main engine wiring loom or ECU. And lastly, the fuse and relay for the heater circuit. These are typically found in the underhood fuse box. Be sure to check your vehicle's repair manual for the exact fuse number. Here's a tip. Always check your vehicle's service manual for precise sensor location based on your engine type. First, check the oxygen sensor heater resistance. Use a multimeter to measure resistance across the heater terminals. If the resistance is too high or infinite, the sensor is faulty and needs replacement. Next, inspect the wiring and connector. Look for frayed, burnt, or disconnected wires. Repair or replace any damaged connections. Then, test the fuse and relay. Locate the oxygen sensor heater fuse and check if it's blown. Replace the fuse if necessary, and test the heater circuit. After that, check for power at the sensor connector. Use a voltmeter to check if power is reaching the sensor. If there's no power, trace the issue back to the fuse box or ECU. Finally, clear the code and take your car for a test drive to confirm the fix. So that's everything you need to know about P0050 ho2s heater control circuit, Bank 2 Sensor 1. If you're dealing with this issue, check your oxygen sensor wiring, fuse, and heater circuit first. For more important car fixes, check out these videos next. P0015, camshaft position timing over retarded, Bank 1, and P0356 ignition coil, F primary-secondary circuit malfunction. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.